Jamaican leg on the West Indies Australia Test and T20 series is done and dusted. And of course, the West Indies got clobbered in all 3 games, including the 2 T20s, to a young experimental Australian team. Remember now, the T20 format is the only thread by which our cricket relevance is hanging. And to see a second-rate Australia beat me up on our own turf was not a good look. Still, our T20 team looks one-dimensional and inflexible. Our big hitters are missing body. Our bowling is predictable and often impotent. And of course, our fielding, specifically our catching, is not special. And the West Indies is not going to change the way they play T20 cricket. So unless our boundary hitters start connecting in the last 3 games, the little excitement we felt by Australia coming here will disappear into thin air.